Okay, this is the toy that my stepfather got for me at Lowe's, I think, when I was 22. It was around when I was 22, I think, around that, somewhere around that neighborhood. Anyway, it repeats what you say. It is a toy, parrot toy. Repeat parrot toy. Hello, this is Thomas Grady.
Hello, this is Thomas Grady.
Hello, why are you mocking me?
Hello, why are you mocking me?
The mouth's not moving for some reason. Okay, this is the battery apartment. This is the back of the parrot. On and off button. On and off button. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Polly want a cracker? Knock, knock. Who's there? Who's there? Orange. Aren't you going to stop repeating what everything I say? Okay, everybody's... Okay. Everyone, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.